If your KDP book isn't selling, it's probably not your writing, it's your keywords. Amazon is a search engine, and most authors are just guessing what readers type in. And I used to do the same until I started using Publisher Rocket. Here's how to find keywords that actually sell. Inside the keyword search tool, type in your book idea or topic. And boom, you'll get real Amazon search volume, competition scores, and even how much money books with these keywords are making. Choose the one that has high searches per month. Low competition and books making $2,000 plus. That's a winner. This is how you can build your titles, subtitles, and back-end keywords. Not by guessing, but by using real market data. And if you want to actually sell your book on Amazon, start using Publisher Rocket. Click the link in the description to grab it. It's a one-time payment purchase, and it will pay for itself the moment your book starts ranking.